Okay, we're on day, if you count half days, this is day 3. And we had to cut a bunch of tree limbs off so that when we go up with the roof here, they won't be interfering. We also had to move cages in the back, and now we're going to build beams through here to have something to jack up and push the whole thing up. So we'll show you as we go along. So now what we've done is put these 2x about 4 feet apart, I believe they're, but we measured the same distance from the point here of the stud that's bracing, which we added 2 here and 1 down there, 15 inches over. So we're like from outside to outside, we're 4 foot 2 or 3. 4 foot 1, 4 foot 2, but we're even. We're gonna go up and build up underneath it as we go up. So we need to kind of not be in one side or the other and make it tilt because of the weight. I want to. So what we're doing is putting this 2x here first, and then we'll put 2x6s on the side. This actually is going over too far because we're going to cut the roof right here, and this roof's going to go past that roof. So we're going to have to cut these off and then cut the roof. Then we're going to put, anyway, a 2x6 on both sides of this and then a 1 on the bottom. And then we'll have a true beam that will carry the weight, I believe. So we're going to press on doing it. See you in a bit. All right, so we put the 2x6 on both sides, put screws in it about every foot. That's to hold it in place to go against these, which are lifting the whole of the framework. In theory, this hasn't been done by me before. Next, we're going to put a 2x6 right here. It's kind of 3/4 over on each one. We'll kind of run the screws up at an angle and hold it so we'll have something solid to push against. And we'll cut off the ends. We'll show you that too. Okay, what I'm doing now is I square marked around, even with this board here. We're actually going to cut the roof about 3 inches from this rafter, 3 inches over. So it'll be about 1.5 inches from this. So I don't want this to catch on that roof as we go up. So I'm going to cut it flush with there, and that's why I've marked it with a speed square. And now I'm going to cut it with a Sawzall. So I got to reposition a couple screws so they're not right where I'm cutting. Put them further up in here. Probably have to change my my saw blade now. Same way with that one, I gotta cut around the screws. See if I can cut on that side of it. All right, now we're gonna cut the mark and cut the roof, and that'll be done.